Okay friends, good morning. They given this question in 2019 SBI Clerical Mains. Friends, check here. In alphabetical series, each consonant is assigned a different number from 1 to 6. Yes. Friends, now they are talking about only consonants. Take only consonant. B, C, D. Next no chance. F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Take vowels A, E, I, O, U. Yes, friends, check here. Now take here. In alphabetical series, each consonant is assigned a different number from 1 to 6. Consonants, yes. B1. See here, they are only given. For example, B is scored as 1, C2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again those numbers get repeated. For example, that means after 1 to 6 again it will repeat. J is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next 6, next and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next, consonants completed. See here, the given is what? In alphabetical series, each consonant is assigned a different number from 1 to 6. For example, B is coded as 1, C is 2, and so on. H is 6. In the same manner, here it is repeating same. J is 1 up to again P6, again Q is 1, next W is 6, like that. Yes, leave. Next, after that, and for the codes of the vowel is started from the numeric code of Z. So, yes, vowel is started as numeric code of Z. Z numeric code is what? 3. E is 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. That is the code of Z is 2. They are assuming if there is a chance to get, if code of Z is 2, then code of A also 2. Here code of Z is what? 3, then A also 3. Yes. And E 4, next 5, like that. Yes, leave. Till U, which is coded as 6, leave. Next point. Here they give note. The codes of the vowel lies in the range of 1 to 7. Yes, codes of the vowels is to be lies in the 1 to 7, leave. Besides the above information, following operations are to be applied for coding the words in the given questions below. Leave. Now friends, here they given total 2 conditions. Leave. Take first condition. See here they given total 2 conditions. Condition number 1. If 2 immediate digits are same. Yes, see here the next one is what? 2 immediate digits are same. In the code, then the digit of the letter having the higher place value in the English alphabetical will be changed to hot U. Suppose friends, check here, I will take here 2 immediate digits are same. 2 immediate digits are same means, suppose I will take here H and P. Suppose friends, this one is just example. Suppose H code is what? Here 6. Now P code is what? 6. So if 2 immediate digits are same, next one is what? In the code, then the digit of the letter having the higher place value in the English alphabetical series, H face value 8, P is what? 16. So which is having the highest face value will be changed to hot U symbol. Yes, will be changed to hot U symbol. Yes, that is then the code will be here like this one is what? 6, next one is what? Hot U. Yes, leave it. Next one, go for next point, next condition. See here. If 2 immediate digits are in the form such that preceding digit is 1 more than the succeeding. Preceding means what? Before 1 is 1 more than the succeeding. Suppose preceding is 1 more than the succeeding. Suppose this one is what? F. Now this one is what? D. Suppose friends, see here, F code is what? Here 4. Now D code is what? 3. Preceding means what? Before digit is 1 more than the succeeding. That means after. Then see here, preceding digit is 1 more than its succeeding digit. Then the higher digit will be changed to diamond. Higher digit. So friends, check here will be changed to diamond. Here higher digit means here F is having higher. Then this one will be changed to diamond. Then this one is what? Here 3. Yes. So friends, here they given only 2 conditions. See here. Condition number 1 is what? If 2 immediate digits are same, then the letter which is having the highest place value in the alphabetical series, it is changed to hot U symbol. Just friends, consider this one is like hot U symbol. Next, if preceding digit is 1 more than the succeeding digit, then which is having the highest place value, then it should be replaced with diamond symbol. Yes, these two are the given conditions. Yes, now friends, check here questions. Friends, here given question is what? If the code for the word S E 2 dash next E D, what is the is coded as 3 diamond 3 hatu diamond next 3. Yes. Now friends, check here. Then what letter will be comes in the fill in the blanks to make it a meaningful word? Yes. Friends, for this model, simple logic is substitute the options and substitute the option, then once verify. Then take here option number 1 is what? R and V. Substitute here R and V. Suppose friends, take here S code is what? Take here S code is what? 3. Now E code is what? Here 4. Next R code is what? 2. Now V code is what? 5. Next E code is what? 4. Now D is what? 3. Once verify this one. Friends, check here. Preceding is one more than the succeeding, then this one will not come. This one will not come means then for this option only no chance. Why means after 3 our requirement is what? Diamond. Preceding before one is one more than succeeding, but here it is not following means then option number 1 there is no chance. Suppose take option number 2. Option number 2 is what? A L. That means friends, check here. S code is what? See here. S code is what? 3. Next E code is what? See here. E is what? 4. Next one is what? A code is what? Here 3. Next one is what? L code is what? Check here. L code is what? 3. Next E code is what? Here 4. Next D code is what? Here 3. Now check here. Friends, see here 3. Yes, completed. For this one, shall I apply condition number 2? See here. Preceding integer is one more than the succeeding. Preceding is one more than succeeding me. Then this is the highest one. It should be replaced with a diamond. Next one is what? Here 3. Next one is what? 3. Next again 3 and 3. So here these two are same and these two are same. If both are same in alphabetical series, which is having the highest face value, it should be replaced with here heart 2 symbol. See here. S E A L E D, which is having the highest face value here L, then this should be replaced with heart 2 symbol. Yes. Now 4 and 3. Preceding is one more than the succeeding, then highest one is replaced with diamond here 3. Yes. So 3 diamond 3, next heart 2 diamond 3. Yes. It's satisfied. That means here there is chance to get option number 2. But don't take directly option number 2. Why means here they given option number 5 is what? Either B or D. Then one check for option D also. Then option D is what? AD. Now take here. Given word is what? S E 2 blanks. Next E D. Now take this one is what? A. This one is what? D. Now S code is what? 3. Next E code is what? 4. A code is what? 3. Next D code is what? 3. Next E code is what? 4. Next D code is what? 3. Now check here. Friends, see here. Suppose first one is what? 3. Now for this one, preceding digit is one more than the succeeding. It is replaced with diamond. Next one is what? 3 and 3. 2 digits. See here. 2 immediate digits are same. Then which having the highest face value, it should be replaced with heart 2. E and D, which is having the highest face value means then D is having highest face value. It should be replaced with heart 2. That means here 3 diamond. Sorry, this one is what? Heart 2. 4 and 3. This preceding is one more than the succeeding. This one should be replaced with then diamond symbol. Diamond, this one is what? 3. Yes. So in this case, if you substitute AD, then same code. If you substitute here AL also, code is same. Then answer is what? Either B or D. So for first question, answer is what? Option 5. Second question, which of the following word will be coded as 3, 4, 6, 2, diamond? Next one is what? 3. Then leave. Simply go with the options. Option number 1 is what? Smoke code. Yes. Now friends, check here. What is the code for S? S is what? 3. What is the code for M? M is what? 4. What is the code for O? 6. Next K code is what? See here. What is the code for K? K is what? 2. Next E is what? 4. Next D. Code for D is what? 3. Now check here. Here 3, 4, no condition is applicable. 6, 2 also no condition applicable. Now preceding is one more than succeeding. Then highest one E diamond. Then 3. Yes. Then option number 1 it is satisfying. Then don't go with only one. Why means here we are having either 1 or 3 follows or all 3 follows. Then go for option number 2 also. Option number 2 is what? Stake STAKED. Yes, friends, check here. What the code for S means what? 3. Now T code is what? 4. A code is what? 3. Now K code is what? Check here. K code is what? Here 2. Friends, our requirement is what? See here. 3 4, next one is what, 6 2, but here 3 2 means option number 2 is no chance. Next go for option number 3, STO K is store code. Yes, friends, check here. Now S code is 1, yes 3, T code is 1, take friends here T 4, next O code 6, next K code is 1, friends check here, K is 1 2, next E is 1 here 4, next D is what, 3. Now our requirement is what, 3 4 6 2, yes 3 4 6 2, preceding is 1 more than the succeeding, then this one is what, diamond, this one is what, 3. So there is chance to get option number 1, there is chance to get option number 3, then answer is what, either 1 or 3. So for second question answer is what, option D. So friends, like this here they give total 5 questions in 2019 SBI clerical mains.